Moving forward, I would like to explain to you all about .NET Core console application structure. Now, you can look at the top first, using system. This is the reference part, where you can call out the resources in .NET Core that you want to use. Now, .NET Core has a lot of useful resources, and you can specify up here which one you want to use in your code file. Moving to the next part, it is about namespace. Namespace is like a big bag that can carry many different classes. We use it to pack all the related class files into one namespace for better future use. Then let's move forward to classes. So what is a class? Class is an object that contains private or publicly callable functions, accessible members, or properties. These are very important features to create a sophisticated program. And I want to dig more detail here, this is called the function. And a function contains executable code. You will write your code mainly here. So I want to set up all of this in a diagram so you can understand the relationship between namespace, classes, and function. As you can see here, a class can have multiple functions, and a namespace can contain multiple classes. That's it. Okay, so that was a structure of a .NET Core project. Now I'm going to go to a few programming demo. I'm going to delete here first, and I'm going to help you guys on how to deal with numbers and text. For number, we will use the int type. The int type is a type that we will use to handle integer numbers, and this could be negative or positive number. And I will make a first example here, a variable named first number, and I will assign the value to. And you can see here the int type is representing a 32-bit signed integer, which means it could be minus or positive. So let's make other integer variables as well. I'll make the second one, and I'll assign 6, and the third number I will assign it as 0. Now I will demonstrate the first simple operation, the plus operation. And third number equal to first number plus, and if you can see here, note that when you click S and E, the second number auto completion is already show up for you, popped up out for you, and you just only have to select it and click enter, and then a semicolon for ending the sentence, the command. And we can see this result by using console.writeLine. You can use write as well, but I prefer writeLine in this case because it will change the next line if we use the writeLine again. And inside of the open and close bracket, we'll insert a double quote, 2 double quotes, and then we'll write third number equal to, and then space here, plus the real third number dot toString, and then end with an open and closed bracket. Okay, we can hit the hit the play button, and then the result will display for us. And boom, there you go, third number equal to 8. Now for the next part, I will demonstrate the same thing with the minus operator. So here I would say minus, and all you have to do is we gotta change here a little bit, and minus the first number. And for the next one, I would like to also demonstrate about our multiplying and minusing operators. And I'm gonna do like this. Sorry, I use a lot of and. And here we can use multiply. For multiply, the operator sign is asterisk, or the star sign. For dividing, it will be slash. But since the second number is bigger, we're gonna do like this. And let's just see the result of this by clicking the first app play button. And you can see here, 6 minus 2 is 4, 6 multiplied 2 is 12, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Yay! Okay, next I would like to do something related to string manipulation. Well, it's very simple. String is a type of variable that you can use for handling text. For example, I'll make a string first text is equal to hello and comma, ending with a semicolon. And then the next one I would say second text equal to BANU learner. And the string here I'll say result of concatenation equal to first text plus with second text. And we can just like console dot write line, and inside of here we don't need the double quote anymore, because this double quote here represents what inside of it is a string. Since our variable type is a string, we can just put this guy directly inside of this bracket, and we'll say result of concatenations. Let's run the app. And here we are, hello BANU learners. Well, unfortunately you cannot use like these minus thing for strings, but you can use a very awesome function provided by .NET, and I will introduce to you on that later on, so please stay tuned. For this lesson now, we'll just play around in this area only. Well, thank you for listening, and please keep up with my channel, and we will do our best to give you more lessons related to this BANU course. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day!